are you, Lord. Oh, great are you, Lord. Great are you, Lord. Oh, may the Lord grant us understanding as we begin this day. Welcome to another section with MathsGuru Global Academy. This service is brought to you by MathsGuru Educational Services. And today we are going to discuss the topic percentage and its application. You might have used the word percentage while having a discussion with someone before, or someone might have used that word percentage. For instance, some might have said, I will give 10% of my earnings as a tithe, or 20% I will put that for food, or I will give 10% as commission if you sell this so and so for me. All these are expressions in percentage. Some may say my phone batteries is about 20%, 50%, and so on. For instance, mine is just 56% now. These are all expressions in percentage, but what does that actually mean? That is why we are going to have this discussion today. By the end of this class, you will be able to, 1, define the term percentage, and 2, change percentage to a fraction. 3, convert a fraction to percentage. 4, calculate percentage of a quantity. And the last thing we'll be doing is to apply percentage in a real life situation or real life events. We're going to begin with the term percentage. What does it mean? The term percentage is from a Latin word percentum. Percentum. Let me write this out for you. Percentum. And percentum simply means out of 100. Out of 100 or over 100. A fraction of 100. That is what is called percentage. So anytime you come across the term percentage, all we're saying is that particular number is expressed as a fraction of 100. Very simple as that. So if we are given 2%, for instance, it simply means 2 over 100. And that will be equal to 1 and 50, which is 1 over 50 in fraction. This is simply what percentage means. All right, let's go to conversion. How do we change percentage to a fraction? It's very simple. Just like I've done here, it's the same procedure. If we are to change 30% to fraction, what do? 30% simply means 30 over 100. And 30 over 100, we can simply say 0, can go with 0. We are simply saying that 10 in 30, 3, 10 in 100, 10. All right. So this will be left with 3 over 10. So to express percentage in fraction, all you need to do is to divide it by 100. Now, let's go to tax 2. This is in fractional form. 4 over 5%. How do we do this? Very simple. Remember, we said if it is in percentage, all we need to do is to divide it by 100. Okay, let's write it this way. 4 over 5 divided by 100. And remember, every number is a fraction of 1. So we can simply write 100 as over 1. Now, what do we do next? We are going to change this division sign to multiplication. So if we have 4 over 5 and we are changing the division sign to multiplication, remember 100 over 1 is the divisor. So we are going to take the reciprocal of the divisor. We flip it up, swap the numerator and the denominator. So we're going to have 1 over 100. Anytime we change division to multiplication like this, we have to flip the divisor. And let's go there quickly. We can simplify further. 4 can go in 125 times. All right, now that is simplified, we can multiply out. 1 here times 1 will give us 1. And 5 times 25 is 125. By so doing, we have resolved this question. Let's try another task. Task 3. The question is 2 whole number 1 over 5% to be converted to a fraction. Very simple. What we need to do is to convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. How do we do that? The whole number multiplied by the denominator, then add the numerator. So we're going to have 2 times 5, 10, and 10 plus 1, 11. So we're going to have 11 over 5. And since it's in percentage, to be converted to a fraction, we have to divide it by 100 over 1. As we did earlier, let's do that again. So we're going to have 11 over 5. Change it to multiplication. What do you think we're going to do? Flip. We are going to flip the numerator up. The denominator becomes the numerator and the numerator becomes a denominator. And at this point, there is no number at the numerator that can divide the number at the denominator without a remainder, so we multiply directly. 11 times 1, 11. And 5 times 100, we give 500. All right, let's take the fourth task. 20.3% to be converted to a fraction. Remember, when we have percentage to be converted to fraction, we divide it by 100. So let's go there. 20.3 divided by 100. Anytime you are dividing a number by 100, all you need to do, remember simple clue then. Just move the decimal point backward twice. Move it backward twice. This is it. So we're going to have 20. Let's write 20.3. We are going to move this decimal point 1 time, 2 times. So the decimal point is going to be at these points now. So we're going to have it as 0.203. And this is the decimal number we have as the fractional form of 20.3%. Now the challenge is this. Change 25% to a fraction. Change 25% to a fraction. Simply place your answer at the comment section and we shall know who has the first correct answer.